Welcome the our channel. Today we how to find model number on Dell laptop, quick tip step by step clearly. To find the model number on your Dell laptop, start by turning on your device. Once the laptop is powered on, look for the Dell logo on the screen during the boot up process. After the logo appears, you may see information about your laptop, including the model number. If this information isn't visible, proceed to the next step. On the Windows desktop, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the search bar, type System Information and press Enter. A new window will open displaying detailed information about your system. Look for the entry labeled System Model in the list. This section will show the exact model number of your Dell laptop. If you prefer another method, check the bottom of your laptop. Power off the device and carefully flip it over. You may find a sticker that contains the model number along with other details. Another option is to check the BIOS screen. To do this, restart your laptop and press the F2 key repeatedly as it boots up. This action will take you into the BIOS setup. Navigate to the main tab where you'll see the model number displayed. For those with a Dell Support Assist application installed, open it from the Start menu. Once the application is open, locate the System Information section. Here, you will also find the model number marked clearly. Using these methods, you can easily find the model number of your Dell laptop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.